Facing the problem of weak lashes that keep falling out and just don't seem to grow? Do your lashes look thin, flat, and lifeless no matter what you try? Don't worry, you're not alone, and the good news is I've got you covered. In just 3 days, do you want to grow your lashes longer, thicker, and naturally curled? Then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 40 amazing natural tips that can transform your lashes super fast. And believe me, these 40 tips are more than enough to grow your lashes, because this is my own personal experience. So, are you ready to finally achieve the lashes of your dreams? Let's get started. 1. Trim your lashes. Trimming your lashes is very important. Just like our hair gets split ends, and we cut them so the hair grows healthier, the same happens with lashes. They also get tiny splits, and trimming keeps them healthy and helps proper growth. To do it safely, use small clean scissors and cut only the very tips, never too short, as lashes protect your eyes. Believe me, this small tip makes your lashes much longer and healthier. 2. Apply green tea compresses. Green tea is full of antioxidants and nutrients that stimulate the hair follicles and support lash growth. It strengthens the roots, reduces shedding, and makes lashes appear fuller and longer. To use it, brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and apply it on your lashes with a cotton pad or swab along the lash line. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with water. Using this a few times a week makes lashes healthier, shinier, and stronger. 3. Practice daily lash brushing. Brushing your lashes every day works just like brushing your hair. It helps improve blood circulation around the lash line, which nourishes the follicles and supports healthy growth. At the same time, daily brushing trains your lashes to stay lifted and slightly curled, making them look longer and more defined naturally. To do this, use a clean mascara wand or lash brush and gently comb through your lashes from root to tip for a few minutes. 4. Use castor oil for fast lash growth. Castor oil is considered the best natural remedy for fast lash growth. It is rich in ricinoleic acid, which nourishes the roots and makes lashes stronger, thicker, and longer. When applied regularly, it deeply moisturizes the lashes, prevents breakage, and stimulates the follicles to grow faster. The best way to use it is at night. Just apply a thin layer of pure, cold-pressed castor oil on clean lashes with a mascara wand or cotton swab and leave it overnight. With regular use, your lashes will start looking stronger, fuller, healthier, and longer. 5. If your lashes are falling out too much, the first step is to strengthen the roots. Weak roots are the main reason behind lash fall. Start by keeping your lashes clean. Always remove mascara before sleeping because leftover makeup makes lashes brittle and causes them to shed. To stop falling, you can gently massage your lash line with coconut oil or castor oil. This improves blood circulation, nourishes the follicles, and helps lashes hold on stronger instead of breaking. 6. Use cold milk for stronger lashes. Cold milk is surprisingly beneficial for eyelashes because it is rich in proteins and essential nutrients that strengthen the hair follicles. When you apply cold milk with a cotton pad on your lashes, it nourishes them deeply, makes them softer, and helps prevent breakage. The cooling effect also refreshes the eyes and improves circulation around the lash line, which naturally supports lash growth. 7. Regular eye exercises boost lash growth. Doing regular eye exercises is very helpful for lash growth because it improves blood circulation around the eyes. When blood flow increases, more oxygen and nutrients reach the hair follicles, making the lashes stronger and encouraging them to grow faster. Simple exercises like moving your eyes in circular motions, focusing on near and far objects, or gently massaging the eye area can naturally stimulate the lash roots. With consistency, these exercises not only relax your eyes, but also support thicker, healthier lashes. 8. Did you know the secret to stronger, fuller lashes might already be sitting in your home? Aloe vera gel, yes, the same one you use for burns and skincare, works like a natural lash serum. It seeps into every strand, making lashes stronger, deeply moisturized, and less likely to fall out. Apply it before bed, and by morning your lashes feel softer, shinier, and healthier, like you've used an expensive lash treatment, but it's just a simple plant. 9. Avoid rubbing or pulling your lashes. Avoiding rubbing or pulling your lashes is one of the simplest, but most powerful ways to keep them healthy. When you rub your eyes, especially while removing makeup or when they feel itchy, you put pressure on the delicate lash follicles. This weakens the roots and causes lashes to fall out faster than they should. 10. Transform your lashes naturally with a simple honey and castor oil mix. Honey locks in moisture, keeping lashes soft and hydrated, while castor oil strengthens the roots and encourages growth. Together, they give your lashes extra shine, prevent breakage, and make them look fuller, all without any expensive treatments. 11. Use Vaseline to boost your eyelash growth. It deeply moisturizes each lash, preventing dryness and breakage. By keeping your lashes hydrated and protected from damage, it helps them stay strong and healthy, which over time can make them look longer and fuller. For best results, gently apply a small amount along your lash line every night before bed. Believe me, in just 3 days you will notice your lashes looking softer and healthier. 12. Change pillowcase every 2 to 3 days to keep it clean and free from oil, dust, and bacteria. A fresh pillowcase protects your lashes from breakage, helps them stay strong, and supports healthy growth while you sleep. 13. Wear sunglasses to protect lashes from sun and dust. This shields them from harmful UV rays and environmental damage, preventing dryness, breakage, and premature lash loss. 14. Apply flaxseed gel to give your lashes a natural boost. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, it deeply nourishes the hair follicles, making your lashes stronger from the roots. With regular use, it reduces breakage, adds shine, and helps your lashes grow thicker and healthier. 15. Massage your lashes with olive oil, packed with vitamins A and E that support growth. It seeps into the hair follicles, providing deep nourishment and making your lashes stronger, softer, and less likely to fall out. With consistent care, olive oil helps your lashes appear fuller, longer, and naturally glossy. 16. Use gentle makeup remover. Avoid harsh chemicals that can weaken or damage your lashes. A mild, nourishing remover keeps your lashes safe while effectively clearing away makeup and dirt. This prevents dryness, reduces lash fall, and helps them stay strong and healthy. 17. Mix a spoon of Vaseline with 2 teaspoons of olive oil to create a powerful lash growth blend. This combo locks in deep moisture from Vaseline while olive oil, rich in vitamins, nourishes and strengthens each lash. Together, they prevent breakage and help your lashes grow thicker, healthier, and shinier. Apply a thin layer with a clean brush along your lash line and let the mixture work its magic. 18. Avoid eyelash curlers daily, as frequent use can weaken your lashes and make them more prone to breakage. Giving your lashes a natural rest keeps them stronger, healthier, and less likely to fall out. Instead, try gentle alternatives like brushing your lashes regularly to maintain their shape and promote natural growth. 19. Instead of curlers, try the warm spoon curl for a gentle and natural lift. Dip a clean spoon in warm water, then place the back of it near your lash line and press your lashes upward against its curve. Believe me, this simple trick gives your lashes a soft curl, makes your eyes look brighter, and keeps your lashes safe from breakage. 20. Use cold water splash in the morning to keep your lashes naturally lifted and refreshed. The cool temperature tightens the skin around your eyes, reduces puffiness, and helps your lashes stay in place with a gentle lift. It also boosts blood circulation, which strengthens the hair follicles and supports healthier lash growth. This video isn't complete yet, because these were only the first 20 natural eyelash hacks for growth and strength. The remaining 20 tips for natural curl, shine, and volume will be in part 2, which I'll upload tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next part. Trust me, together these 40 hacks are more than enough to transform your lashes naturally, because this is from my own experience.